Now, leave your playhead at the end of this clip here, because whenever you drag stuff over, it goes wherever this playhead is. So you make sure that you leave your playhead here at the end. And we're now going to find the word wanted. That's in shot 15, take 3. And so if you go, whoops, up there, shot 15, take 3 is this guy right here. And double click on it. And we've got shot 15. Now let's have a listen.
Slate.
Shot 15, take 3. My boys wanted one
There's the word wanted.
for years.
All right, so I'm going to back up.
My boys wanted.
There it is right there. Good. So I'm going to go into the sound clip and I'm going to look for the word wanted. I think that's it there.
Wanted.
Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to put the playhead right here. I'm going to hit the letter I to set in. And I'm going to see if I can do this with the space bar.
Wanted.
Whoa. And I'm going to go tap, tap with the right arrow and hit the letter O. Now I want to play from my in to my out. Option K.
Wanted.
That's pretty good. I've got the word wanted in there. That's excellent. All right. So I'm going to grab make sure that I'm still in the move tool. And I grab this guy and I pick overwrite because the playhead's on the end, and boom, look at that. It's just added that in there. Perfect. I'm going to go hit the home key, which is over on the right hand side of your keyboard. Okay? And I'm going to hit the space bar and let's have a listen.
I always wanted.
There it is right there. I always wanted. I'm going to put, I'm going to put the playhead right here in the middle just to show you what the end key does. See the end button, which is over on the right side of your keyboard? So the end button puts your playhead right at the end. Very handy little button. I love those, the home and the end buttons.